Okay.
Hey, what's up, Internet? It's me, Bigfoot. I was out on my morning berry walk, and I think I found something weird. Come look.
What is this? Some human left a whole bag out here? Probably thought I wouldn't find it. Classic underestimation.
I've always liked shiny things. Moonlight on the lake, the glint of a possum's eye in the dark. But now, I'm gonna make the shiny.
I, Bigfoot of the North Woods, do solemnly swear to figure out how to turn sparkly stuff into shinier stuff. Next time, I'm building my own forge. Or at least, like, a controlled fire that doesn't sing my fur off. See you then.
Okay. Too much dry pine.
Note to self, fur is not fireproof. We're learning.
All right, folks, welcome back to Bigfoot's Forest Forge. Today, we're melting mystery metal.
Let's try shaping it into a ring, or a spoon, or a sad pancake.
Turns out goldsmithing is harder than it looks. I have no idea how humans do this without opposable toe thumbs.
Okay, I didn't make a ring, but I did make a vaguely gold nugget blob thing. That's progress, right? Okay, team, so clearly melting metal in a soup can next to my fur was not the move. So today we're going pro. I'm building my very own forest workshop. It's not fancy. It creaks when I walk on it. But it's mine. And it smells like pine sap. Turns out mushrooms are excellent polishers if you don't mind a little slime. Jewelry made in the woods with tools from the woods. That's my vibe. Organic, slightly dangerous, but mostly charming. Okay. So far, nothing's exploded. That's a good sign.
This is it, the beginning of greatness. I got my forge, my tools, and a pile of shiny dreams.
Today's the day. No experiments, no panicking, no fireballs. Just me, the tools I built, and one very shiny goal.
It's funny. A few weeks ago, I was eating bark and dodging trail cams. Now I'm here, holding a flame.
She's not round, but she's mine, and probably a choking hazard. First ring, complete. Perfection is overrated.
I don't know if anyone else will ever wear my work, but this one's for me.
Thanks for believing in me, even you skeptical forest rangers watching from your hidden cams.
Welcome to my pop-up shop. Today only. Unless nobody shows up, then it's permanently open out of stubbornness.
This one's 24 karat-ish. I call it Twilight Nugget. Very exclusive.
They say follow your passion. They don't say you'll need to explain refund policies to chipmunks.
I started this journey with nothing, and fur that's very flammable. Now I've got a workshop, a line of original pieces.
Wait. A custom order? From a human?